This is the video how to send any photo via Google Drive. So log in Google Drive with your Gmail and password, then new and file upload, and here select your image. Once uploaded properly, you can see in the recent uploaded. Similarly, you can upload the folder like just select it. To share it, click on these three dots, and here is the option share. Copy link and share that link, or you can share via Gmail. Just enter the Gmail, and once you copy this link, so you can paste this link anywhere like WhatsApp or Outlook. So this is the way you can share a photo via Google Drive. Thanks for watching.